EdrawMind is a cross-platform software, which can be used on the desktop, mobile, and online. These maps can be used in many scenes, like school, business, case study, book analysis and more. What is mind map? All these have been mapped by mind map software, which can improve your learning efficiency significantly through organizing ideas and concepts into graphic patterns. According to the study of the National Reading Panel, in 2000, the use of visual organization tools was one of the 7 most effective ways to improve students' retention. Mind maps are one of the best ways to visualize ideals and concepts, allowing students to enhance thinking, memory and learning skills. We have rounded up excellent education mind maps. Hope these maps can help you to become a better mind mapper and visual thinker. Before the introduction, don't forget to see the description. And free download EdrawMind now. Don't forget to subscribe to Wondershare Edraw too. English grammar, past simple versus past continuous. Mind map gives a comprehensive overview of tenses used in the English language. With maps like this one, memorizing the difference between past simple and past continuous is a lot more fun. How to make a mind map? Here goes 3 simple steps to make a mind map. Step 1. Open EdrawMind. Download and install EdrawMind on Windows, Mac, Linux. Or, try EdrawMind online on any device that has a network connection. After you open EdrawMind the software, you will see many types of mind maps and other diagrams. Select one of the templates. Or, click on the icon to build your mind map from scratch. Step 2. Mind mapping in the easiest way. EdrawMind provides abundant tools for styling and formatting your mind maps. You can add subtopics, relationship lines, clip art, images, callout, etc. to enrich the maps. Besides, you can change the color and shapes of the topics. Branches of the whole map in just one click. Step 3. Export and share your mind map. Once you have finished your mind map, you can download it. Export it as different file formats. Or, post it on the social media channel. Share your mind maps with your best team members, friends, or family. Edraw gives up to 70% off and best price now. Save big on Edraw back-to-school pricing. Before you go, don't forget to see the description. And free download EdrawMind now. Don't forget to subscribe to Wondershare Edraw too.